At Bob Penkhus Motor Company, your safety is our priority. We offer a complimentary 125 multi-point inspection so you can drive with confidence. Begin by scheduling your appointment online and bringing your vehicle into our service center. One of our advisors will greet you upon arrival and answer any questions you may have. From here, you can find a seat in our comfortable lounge. Feel free to enjoy a coffee and a snack on us while our team diligently inspects your vehicle. Our technicians work with the utmost care and cover every base to identify any underlying issues. In a matter of no time, you'll receive a text or email with your complimentary multi-point inspection video. It will provide first-hand insight into our observations, ensuring you're well informed before making any decisions. You can then accept or decline our recommendations, and our team will handle your requests seamlessly. Finally, you get to drive home in a well-maintained vehicle that's ready for the road ahead. Visit our website to schedule your complimentary multi-point inspection today.